Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.15 in new edition, special graph. Now problem number 5. If we have a new edition of textbook, we can refer the question. This exercise not in that old edition. So anyway, I read the question number 5. The school announces that for a certain competitions, the cash prize will be distributed for all the participants equally as shown below. Number of participants, that is X. Amount of each participant in rupees, that is Y. You are given 5 set of values. Find the constant of variation. Graph the above data and hence from the graph only we have to find how much each participant get if the number of participants is 12. Okay, we have to verify whether it is direct variation or indirect variation. How to verify? Look at the values of X, it is increasing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, but look at the values of Y, it is decreasing. Starts with 180 and ends with 36. Since X increases, Y decreases, we can say that is an indirect variation. I mentioned here, it is an indirect variation. Reason, X increases, Y decreases. For indirect variation formula, XY that is equal to K. You have to find out the value of K that is equal to product of X and Y. That is 2 into 180, that is 360, 4 into 90, 360, 6 into 60, 360, 8 into 45, 360, 10 into 36, also 360. What is the value of K? 360. That is a constant of variation. Now, equation number 1, we have xy in the left hand side, that K value can be replaced by 360. From that, you find the value of y that is equal to 360 divided by x. So, since it is an indirect variation, definitely you will be getting a curve. On the top of the curve, we have to write the equation y that is equal to 360 divided by x. Now, all the 5 plotting points, the points to be plotted. What are they? 2, 180, 4, 90, 6, 60, 8, 45 and 10, 36. Now, you can go for the table. Here we have the values of x, minimum 2, maximum 10. And values of y, minimum 36 and maximum 180. So I consider in x-axis 1 centimeter equals 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equals 10 units. Here 1, 2, 3 up to 12 I have taken. Then here 10, 20, 30 up to 180 I have taken. Then we have to plot all the 5 points. What are the points? First point 2, 180. 2 in x-axis and 180 in y-axis, 2, 180. Second point 4, 90. 4 in x-axis, 90 in y-axis, 4, 90. 4 in x-axis, 90 in y-axis, 4, 90. The next point 6 and 60. 6 in x-axis, 60 in y-axis, 6, 60. Next point 8, 45. 8 in x-axis, 45 in y-axis, 8, 45. 10 in x-axis and 36 in y-axis. 36, that is, here we have taken 1 centimeter equals 10 units. For each and every millimeter equals 1 unit. The middle one is 35. In between 30 and 40 is the middle one is 35. Next to that millimeter, one line, no, that is 36. Okay, 10, 36. I have plotted all the 5 points. Before joining all the 5 points, here look at that, only one subdivision, particularly this one is a constant of variation. Here you are given that x value, number of participants given, number of participants, that is x value. X value is 12, you are asked to find out y value. What should be multiplied with the 12 to get 360? Because k value is 360, correct? 12 18s are 360. 12 18s are 360. So 12, 18 to be plotted in a graph. 12 in x-axis. So 12, 30. 12, 30. 12 in x-axis, 30 in y-axis. 12 30s are 360. Just plot the point only, mark a point only, don't encircle the point. After that, join all the points. Free hand only, without using the scale. Join like this. On the curve, you have to write the equation of the curve y that is equal to 360 divided by x. Then, when I told you when y x that is equal to 12, you are asked to find out the value of y. From that point, draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. When it meets the curve, at that point, from that point, draw a line perpendicular to y-axis, where it meets 30. Here 12, here 30. So what point it is? 12, 30. Here x-axis number of participants and y-axis amount of each participant in rupees. Now you can write the result. First result, constant of variation. Constant of variation means the k value. K value already we got it, that is equal to 360. Here it is. Then second subdivision, equal distribution of amount. Again y, you have to find out y. If the number of participant x value is 12. When x equals 12, y value already we got it 30. Here it is. For x value 12, y value is 30. That is the answer. So amount of each participant is 30 rupees, right? Now problem number 5 is completed. I'll be teaching the last problem, that's problem number 6 in the next video. Thank you, children.